I will continue to talk about simultaneous equation. So today we will talk about simultaneous equation by substitution method. Now you can see on the screen that there is a question: find the simultaneous solution of the following pair of equation. Let's do the first question. So we can put this into the first equation for the solution. So we can make that as the first equation, and then that's the second equation. And then the next one is we try to make that this is going to be y1 equals to y2. So the first step, we have to find out the value of the variable x. So y1 equals to y2, 2x minus 1 equals to x plus 3. Why do we can make it into y1 equals to y2? Because both of them, or both of the equation, have the same variable x and y. And now we can rearrange. So 2x, the x on the right side, you can move this here. So then this is minus x, and also that equals to this negative 1, you move it to that side. So then this is going to be 1 plus 3. Hence this is x equals to 4. So we have x equals to 4 for the first variable of x value. Now the next one, you have to substitute. So then you can substitute it. So you can substitute. So to find the value of variable y, substitute x equals to 4 into one of the equation. So you can substitute it. So let's say that I choose the first equation. So I choose y1, 2x minus 1. So when x is 4, so 2 times 4 minus 1. So that is 8 minus 1. Then that is 7. So when I choose y2, then this is x plus 3. So x is 4 plus 3. So then y2, 7. So it's proven. When you try to substitute it, you have to make sure that both of the variable have the same value. When I substitute x into either one of y1 or y2, you can see that y1 has 7, y2 also has 7. So it means that that's the way we can find out the value of simultaneous equations, whether our answer is correct or not. Okay, let's do another one for B. Question B. Y equals to 2x plus 3, and then 3x minus 4y equals to 8. Okay, we can solve this by first step. Don't forget, you have to make this or label it as the first equation, and then 3x minus 4y equals to 8. That's second equation. Okay, now substituting equation 1 into 2. So now if you substitute equation 1 into 2, then uh, we know that y is 2x plus 3, right? So 3x minus 4. Okay, I'm gonna use different color. So then this is 2x plus 3. And then equals to 8. Now you can expand. 1, 2. You can expand. Then this is going to be 3x minus 8x plus 12 equals to 8. So then this is minus 5x plus 12 equals to 8. And then minus 5x 8 minus 12. So then 8 minus 12. Then this is the way we can find out what exactly the answer of the first one. 3x minus 4 times 2, that is 8 minus 12, because we substituted the y into the second equation. So minus 8x minus 5, and then 8 minus 12. So then we have, this is minus 5x, and then 8. Oh yeah, here we forgot that this is going to be negative 1 is negative 12. So then it is supposed to be 8 plus 12. Okay, that's the right one. So then this is 20 out of negative 5. X, that's going to be negative 4. Now we have x equals to negative 4. So what's next step? Next step is you substitute or substituting x equals to negative 4 into 1. So when you substitute x equals to negative 4 into 1, then it gives the step to the answer, which is y equals to 2x plus 3. Hence this is y equals to 2x plus 3. Y, this is double. So y equals to 2x plus 3. 2 times negative 4 plus 3. Then this is negative 8 plus 3. This is negative 5. So y negative 5. Okay, this is the final answer. And also that is x equals to negative 4. So the final answer for the second question is the solution is x equals to negative 4 and y equals to negative 5. Okay, that's for substitution. Now we move to part B. For part B, we are going to do by elimination. By elimination. By elimination, then okay, elimination and substitution. What we can see here, there is no such a different method. I think it's going to be very similar because you are going to apply substitution also in elimination. But let's see what exactly the specific things when we talk about elimination, because we have to make sure that we eliminate one of the variable first before we find out the other variable. Okay, the example. solve three x a 3x plus 2y equals to negative 2, and then 5x minus y 27. Okay, how do we can solve this? Solve this using the method of elimination. So first step 1. So we have to multiply, or multiplying both sides of 2 by 2, as we can label this is the first and then second equation. So then you multiply both sides by 2. So the second step. Okay, let's see that 3x plus 2y equals to negative 2. 5x minus y, that's 27. So it says that we have to multiply. So I times this with 1, I times this with 2, so it turns into 3x. So there's no change for the first equation. But the second equation, it turns into 10x minus 2y 54. Then what kind of math operation that we can use? Because you want to remove the y variable, then we just add them together. So when we add them together, we can eliminate y, and then it turns into 3x plus 10x equals to negative 2 plus 54. Okay, then the next step, this is 13x equals to 52x. 52 divided by 13, so x, that is 4. So we got x equals to 4. The next one, you apply the concept of substitutions into the step 2 to find out the value of y. So substitute, or substituting x equals to 4 into, I just choose equation 1 because equation 1 we were going to find out, you can choose into equation 1 or 2, but I choose equation 1. So 3x plus 2y negative 2, right? So now I substitute x, so 3 times, I use different color, times 4 plus 2y equals to negative 2. Then this is 12 plus 2y and negative 2. So 2y negative 2 minus 12. And this is negative 14. And so y divided by 2, y equals to negative 7. Now, if I substitute into equation 2, is it going to get the same answer for y? Let's try to prove it. Okay, now let's use equation 2 because we want to prove that. So in equation 2, 5x minus y equals to 27. So then x is 4. 5 you times with 4 minus y 27. So this is 20 minus y 27 negative y, 27 negative 20. So then y 7 out of negative 1, then that's negative 7. So the answer is the same for both equations. I think that's very clear about simultaneous equation. I already covered the four methods using trial and error, graphical solution, substitution, and elimination. And I hope you guys will understand the whole topic of math in simultaneous. And if you have any questions, if you want to learn something new about topics, just mention on my YouTube channel and give and comment. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like and share. See you.